In my previous video, I showed you how to create a Zazzle account and set up a store step by step. Once your store is ready, the next important steps you can do is to create categories and collections. This helps keep your store neat and organized, just like the online shops you enjoy browsing. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set them up before you have many products, so your store is structured from day one. Once you are on the Zazzle website, go to your account icon at the top of the page and click on My Stores. Select your store name, then click on the Products tab. Scroll down a bit, and on the left menu under your store name, click on All Categories. You will see one default category called New Products. This is where all of your new creations will go if you haven't set up other categories yet. If you click on it, on the next page, you will see three options: Edit to rename the category, delete the category, and add new category. So what's the best way to set up your categories and collections? Thanks to AI tools like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Gemini, Grok, and others, you can brainstorm ideas fast. Before I created this demo account for my YouTube channel, I shared my store concept with ChatGPT, and it also helped me come up with the name FFS Designs. Then I asked it, what are the most beneficial design examples and demos for my target audience? ChatGPT gave me 6 great ideas. From there, I asked for categories, subcategories, and collection suggestions, and it built out a full list for me. You can fine-tune your own list as much as you want, but for demonstration purposes, I will use the list ChatGPT provided in this video. Back in Zazzle, let's rename the default New Products category. Click Edit, and change the name to Business and Office. You can also add a thumbnail image here if you have one, but I will skip that for now. If you are not ready to show this category to the public, check the box to hide it. I will leave it visible and click Done. Next, let's create a subcategory under Business and Office. Click Add New Category. Put in Business Cards and hit Done. It may look like nothing happened, but that's because we are still on the Products page. Switch to Categories and you will see the new subcategory listed. Repeat the same steps to add the other subcategories. Now that we have all 4 subcategories under Business and Office, let's add a brand new main category. Go back to All Categories, click Add New Category, and put in Invitations and Stationery. Then hit Done. To add a subcategory, click Add New Category again. You will see an option at the top, Add New Category under. Click Select and choose Invitations and Stationery. Hit OK. Put in Weddings, and click Done. Now, just repeat these steps for the rest of your categories and subcategories. Now the categories are done. Let's move on to collections. These are another powerful way to organize products and make your store easier to browse. Go to the Collections tabs at the top menu and click the Create Collection button. From the AI-generated list, I will make a collection called Minimalist Business Essentials. Scroll down and paste the title into the title slot. Back to the top, under Event, Occasion, or Moment, open the drop-down list and choose the best fit. For this one, I'll select Business and Corporate. Next, choose your collection type. There are 5 options, and you can click the collection types link to learn about the differences and determine which one best suits your products. There's even a video on the page to help you understand better. Since I don't have products yet, I'll pick Cross-Sell and Event Suite as a placeholder. I can always change it later. If you own multiple stores, you can pick which store this collection belongs to. I only have FFS Designs for now, so I will leave it as is. Then there are the description and tags. You can ask AI tool to help you here, or write your own. Think about the keywords potential customers would use to find a collection like yours and include those. When you're ready, click Create. You'll be on the dashboard for this collection. And this page is actually pretty powerful. Let me briefly walk you through what you will see here. On the left-hand side, you can review all the information you just entered, the title, description, tags, and the event or moment you selected. This is a good spot to double-check everything before you start promoting the collection. On the right-hand side, you will see 3 channels enabled by default: Zazzle Marketplace, Zazzle Email, and your stores. If you click on each channel, you'll get additional settings and controls for this particular collection. It will take too long to cover them in details for this video, so let's move on. Below the channel settings, you will find Performance Analytics. This shows you how your collection is performing over time, including views, click-through rate, and sales. You can track up to the last 365 days, so you can see what's working and tweak your collection as needed. Scrolling further down, you will see the section where you can add products to the collection. If you already have products in your store, you can add them here. There's also a section Zazzle will recommend products you might want to include. There's a limit of 53 products per collection, and you want to add at least 4 products to a collection, so it will be eligible to appear in most channels. So make sure you do that when building your collections. You can share the collection directly to the social platforms like Facebook, X, or Pinterest, as well as via email and link. Right below that, you can add images and videos for more visual appeals, and a banner image to highlight the collection. These are great options for making your collection stand out. Once you are done setting everything up, scroll back to the top and click back to collections. From here, you can create additional collections using the same process. And that's how you create categories and collections for your Zazzle store. Keeping your store organized will not only give customers a better experience, but it can also help your store perform better. We can go deeper into categories and collections in future videos. So leave a comment and let me know what you would like me to cover next. If this was helpful, give it a like. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't already, subscribe and turn on the bell so you'll be notified when I post new content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.